beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I am bald headed and ready to go. Today we are doing a side swoop hairstyle. I do them kind of often. I figured I've done them about 3 times now, so I might as well show you guys what I do. Really quickly though, I'm going to show you guys how I fucked up dyeing this hair and then also me installing it. And if you're just here to see the ponytail, baby, go ahead and skip to this. And then once you skip to that, you can watch the tutorial that you came here for. But if you fuck with me, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then hopefully this part will be kind of fast. I'll probably be just talking through what I did when I finish. And then as for my hair, when I'm done installing, I'll just briefly explain that as well. So it'll be a brief explanation. I'm gonna just show y'all so y'all can know. Alright, as for now, I'm gonna go ahead and install, and then yeah, like I said, if you want to skip, go ahead and skip to here. Alright, so what I didn't tell you, don't complain about this long intro. Yeah, okay, so your friend ugly, but she's still trying to make it work. Right, so into this hair color that does not fucking matter. So I used the L'Oreal High Color Reds, and I don't know if I'm broken, but even when I did it on my own hair, it like literally did not work. I think I just need to stop making it work, but like I think the fact that it never works when I try to do it, it just makes me mad that it don't work, so I'll be trying to make it work. But ultimately, you know, it did not work. My hair is definitely just a purpley red, so, you know, thankful for that. But I just want to say I spent $60 on this dye, and I wanted it to be a right burgundy, a real right burgundy red. Baby, it didn't happen. You know, Iana was like, Iana fixed my life. She was like, is that something you want? Well, you'll never get it. And that's how I feel about this red color. But I promise y'all one day I'm going to come back and I'm going to know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to dye red hair for real. But this time wasn't that time. And so, you know, here's me doing it anyway. Just in case anyone cared. Boom. Here it is. Now that was a clip of me realizing that I did not record any of this install. I'm glad I realized at some point though, because if I would have looked up when I had finished, I'd have been a little more upset, but at least I got something of it. I'm using Ghost Bonds, and I'm not using Ghost Bond. Wow, I'm using Bold Hold, and I've been using Bold Hold for a little minute. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty similar to Ghost Bond. Honestly, I feel like all these glues is the same thing, but you ain't hear that from me. I'm gonna keep trying different ones out, but as for now, the Bold Hold is verified. It's pretty nice. It got my lace melted, as you can see. And yeah, y'all know how I be installing wigs. And if you want a more in-depth install, I think I have a few different ways I do them now. So if you want to update like ball cap and install method, definitely let me know. I can do that. But as for this hair, this is from Nadula. Y'all know I love Nadula hair. This is a 13x6 transparent lace wig, and 26 inches and 180% density, I believe. Y'all, I don't got so much about the hair. It's been featured on my channel so many times, so you know if I fuck with it, I want y'all to fuck with it too. But yeah, so now I'm just throwing on this elastic band, and I'll leave that on for a little hot minute. And when I take it off, my lace be laid. It's something about an elastic band. It just does something. It's great. Totally recommend. But that's all from voiceover Julia. I'm gonna shut up and let real Julia talk. And yeah, peace out. Like. Okay, so now that my hair is pressed out to a side part, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this elastic band. Come on, scalp. And we still got a middle part. Let's get rid of her. Go ahead and start doing my baby hair. We can go ahead and zoom through that. Okay, so now that that's done, we can go ahead and start our little swoop. Me personally, wow, is this the start of the tutorial? For real, for real? Maybe it is. Me personally, I like a little one of them. Like, I like a little swoop up, back down. So that's what I have going on here. I have some Style Factor Edge Booster. I'm not going to use a lot of this. I have the peach one. Girl, this smell like peach. I don't like that gel, but this edge control, and I like it for myself. I done burnt a little thing on it. Let's move that over. This edge control does magic. So I'm just going to put a little bit, like a little bit. I don't want this to turn white. I don't want my hair to be white at all. So I'm going to just go ahead and comb that through. I like to just section off some hair. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a lot. Just enough to want to like, to cover up everything. Because I like to have like a little piece going over. Like the hair that's not included in this swoop right here. I like to use it to cover it up. So I'm probably going to be extra and just go ahead and hot comb each section of hair like forward kind of. And this is optional, totally optional, but you know, this is a tutorial. Okay, so now for this back section of hair, I'm just gonna try to I lost my clip. I'm just gonna clip it to the back so that it's not interfering with what I have going on in the front. Okay, I'm a person that needs as little product as possible because I like to change my styles throughout my wear. So like this hairstyle will not be my ending hairstyle most likely for this wig. So I like to try to use as little product as possible. So I'm not going to go section by section like how people do ponytails and like spray what gotta be. But I will spray the top, and then I like that gotta be kind of combs out a little bit. So I'm going to comb through that. Combing through that, keep making sure that I got my shape in mind, and I may need a little more spray actually. And I sprayed like a lot of nothing just now, but hey. So now I'm gonna get my nasty dirty brush that no one's gonna talk about me for, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and making sure, like I said, I have my shape going. I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth all this down, and then I'm just gonna start swooping. And this part honestly is not that hard. I just put it behind my ear, and then whatever is like left, I kind of just like let it be. But now I'll just start working on like the main part, because like I have all that spray on it, so now it's like able to be like moved how I want it. I'm sorry, this comb sucks. And I can't find my other comb. People be so worried I'm gonna poke my eye out. Like in Instagram comments, they'll be like, oh my god, I will poke my eye out. Well, clearly, sis, I didn't poke my eye out. So, you know, it's okay. You can do it too. And then, like, to be honest, I just kind of start using some gel, some Eco Styler gel on my edge brush, and just like go over what I just did, but like, you know, seam it up, make it look nice. Okay, and then, you know, for a little pizzazz, we're going to throw on a little, let me spray a little gotta be over here. I got this clip from my local beauty supply store. It was $1. It came in like a pack of 3, but the other 3 were all ugly. So, you know, here we are. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes and my lips and add some final touches. And then I think we're done. So 2 seconds. Alright, so I added some lashes to my gloss. I just have on this Morphe Freebird gloss with a brown lip liner. I decided I didn't like the clip, took it off. This is how I do my swoops, really easy. Like, you can do it. Your mama can do it. Your grandma can do it. Your mama and grandma probably been doing it, but you know what? It's cool. I keep recording Get Ready With Me's and then deleting them and then never letting you guys see them. So, you know, maybe like whenever I feel like it, I'll do another one that possibly won't get deleted. But I've done like 3. So I'm trying. But I definitely have some new things I want to have come. So we're excited for those things to come. I ain't gonna say too much though because I'm moving in silence, you feel me? But things are coming. Excited about those things. Thank you for watching this kind of... Never mind, I was just something mean about myself, but nope, we're positive. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I appreciate you. We're almost at 25K. Probably by the time no, I'm not even gonna say this. We're almost 25K. We're almost at 25K, so that's crazy. I want to do something for that. I know I've talked about giveaways before, but like for real, a 25K giveaway has to be in order because wow. Hoping for 50 by the end of the year. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.